Hey guys, Morgan's Maintenance. Today's tour review is going to be multiple products, all from the same company. That company is Olight. They reached out and asked me if I'd be willing to try out some of their products, give them my honest review, and my answer was absolutely yes, because I already actually have a few of their items, and they work extremely well. One of them is in my pocket every single day. But to get this started, as a disclaimer, they sent me these for free. So I'm going to mark it paid promotion, but they're not paying me to make this video. Didn't require me to. Not a sponsor of this channel or of this video. I'm just giving them my feedback and giving it to you as well. And since I'm going to have multiple items in this video, I will put chapters down below. So if I ramble on about one, you can skip ahead and go to the next item, or maybe there's only one of these that you in particular care about. You can go straight to that one. I will put links down in the description for all these, along with a link to their store, olightstore.com. And right now they're having a sale for their 16th anniversary. And if you put in MM10, and when you check out on any item that's not on sale, you will get 10% off. So you might want to check it out. It'd be a good time to get yourself something. Let's go ahead and get into these, and I'll explain to you what they are, what I think about them, what's my first impression. So let's go ahead and look at these. So again, as I said, I'm not 100% new to Olight. I have this I5T EOS. It's a battery powered. This one takes a AA battery, 300 lumens. This was one of my top tools in 2022 that I purchased. This is in my pocket every single day, and this came by recommendation from you guys. So again, I appreciate all the recommendations. I love this thing. It's very small, compact. It has 300 lumens. It's pretty bright, but the main thing is that it has this little hat clip here where you can take and put that straight on your hat, because I don't like carrying a headlamp with me. I don't even put one in my tool bag. I do keep one in my truck, but the times whenever I need something, it usually is something that's going to take me 2 minutes, and it would just be nicer to have both hands free. But I'm not going to go all the way out to my truck to get that. But with this being in my pocket every day, I wear a hat every day. I can easily just take this, throw it on my hat, and now I've got two free hands. So again, this is one of my favorites, and it's $30. And then I also bought the I3T, which is a smaller version, takes a AAA battery, and it only goes up to 180 lumens, and it's $20. So for $10 less, you get a little bit smaller flashlight, a little less lumens. I prefer this one. It's enough lumens that it's everything in front of my face is lit up very well, and I just really like this one. But again, I'm just going to be comparing these kind of to this as I go through here, because that's mostly what all I have is a light. Now, they sell knives and different products like that. They asked me if I would like anything in particular, and the only thing that I said was, you can send me anything you want, whatever you think my viewers would like. The only thing I would like to have is a flashlight that's got more lumens than this one, and they sent me one of those, so that's what I'm looking forward to the most. But the first one that we're going to look at is going to be the I3E EOS. You can see there it says mono output keychain LED flashlight. So it's very small, very compact, mono light, meaning there's no low, medium, high. It's only got one setting, and that is 90 lumens. And this thing will only run you $10, so it's fairly cheap. It takes a AAA battery that goes in right here, and then that will give you a good idea of what size this light is. I mean, it's pretty much the same size as the battery, then plus this head with the lens. And there's no buttons to push, nothing else, but you just turn it on by continuing to turn until it tightens all the way down. That pushes that battery up, makes contact, and then you got that 90 lumens right there. So I'll show it to you here on my wall. This is underneath some LED lights, but here it is in the dark, so that it gives you a rough idea of what kind of light output that it gives you. Small, compact, has a key ring. Put it on your keys, put it on a carabiner, put it on your tool bag. Maybe that's something that you're looking for. They've got multiple colors of all these flashlights, so you can probably pick a different color than this if you'd like to. But that's the I3E EOS Keychain light. The next light that they offer, or that they gave me and sent me, is another keychain. This one's exclusive for Olight's 16th anniversary. So that's the I16. So again, this one is something that is comparable to their I1R Pro keychain, and that runs you $22. This one is made specifically. Hopefully I can maybe get a good picture in there. It's got all the Olight logos and the I16. So this is for their 16th anniversary. Limited time option on this. I know they have that on a lot of things, so I know people collect things like this. I actually have heard some people that actually collect these specific flashlights. They buy them all and keep them in the boxes and all those things. So this is just their 16th anniversary version. So it's another keychain light. This one is $22 versus this one's $10. Now it's a little bit shorter, but it's a little bit fatter, so it's a little bit bigger around. And this one, for your extra $12, you're getting multiple settings, because this one's not a mono light. This one's got 2 settings. It's got a low setting, and you can see here on the back, you've got off, low, and high as you turn this. So you got a low setting that's going to come on first. That's 5 lumens. You can't even see it showing up over there. It's a very small light, so that would just be something directly up close, piece of paper, something like that. And if you continue to turn, it's going to kick into high, which is going to be 90 or 180 lumens. So that's double the lumens that you can get with that I3E. So here it is against my wall here, and then I'll show it to you here in the dark as well at 90 lumens, just to give you an idea of what you're looking at. So again, more lumens, more settings, and this one is rechargeable. So you open it up by twisting it the opposite direction. It pops open, gives you a USB-C, which they provide you a cord. They don't give you the wall block, but they do give you the cord. That seems to be the standard these days. And you just recharge it right there. So again, $12 more light options, rechargeable. If that's something that you're looking for, maybe that's the route that you want to go, and you want to get this I16 or an IR or an I1R Pro is what these are basically. So I don't know what the price is on this, because it's not really up at the time of while I'm filming this. It's part of their 16th anniversary sale. So that's the 2 keychain lights that they sent me. The next one, and the one that I was more excited about whenever I opened the box and I saw this one, because I'd been wanting one of these, is the Olight Baton 3 Pro version. So this says enhanced power, upgraded experience, limited edition. So I think both those first 2 things deal with the fact that this is a Baton 3 Pro, and then the limited edition is the color white, because I didn't see this on their site at the moment. I think this is coming out as a new release as well. So I've never had a white flashlight. I typically don't get white tools because I'm a clean freak. You guys know how I am with things. But upside my MCT, my blackout bag, or if you drop this in the grass or something like that, that's obviously going to be pretty easy to find maybe than this. So maybe I'm going to be, by them allowing me to have this white one, it may show myself that I actually would prefer to have a white flashlight. So this one is $70. So I'm going to compare this with my I5T, which is $30. So you're looking at a $40 difference. So could I possibly, if I was looking for one flashlight, which one would I pick out of these? You know, for me, for an everyday carry, it's still going to be this one because of the size, even though I am quite surprised that this Baton 3, as far as the height-wise, it's very close to exactly the same. It's the width and the girth of it that is actually more, and that's a problem for me, and that's only because I carry this along with a fastback and usually a pencil in my pocket. Those are 3 things that I carry all the time. So whenever I add something like this in, you know, if I move this to a different pocket on itself, it would be okay. So the size is what makes this my favorite for everyday carry, but this has a lot of features for that extra $40 that you're paying. So one of the things is just the light output altogether. You know, this one is 300 lumens versus this one has multiple settings. So it's got a low at 15 lumens, a medium at 120, a high at 600, and then a turbo mode at 1500 lumens. So that's quite a jump from 300 to 1500. You're talking about 5 times the output. So $40 to get 5 times more light. That might be well worth it within itself. And then you still get this hat or the clip that you have here. I was a little worried at first because if you look here, the direction of the light's that way. This is what clips on your hat, so that's why it works out. This one's actually backwards. The light is here. The clip is coming back this direction, but it still works. I put it on. You just have to put it on like you normally would slide the other one in your pants pocket. So it will still clip to your hat. It's a little bit heavier, a little bit bulkier, but it's not cumbersome to where you just can't use it. So it's still capable of being able to be done that way if that's something that is a real, you know, thing that you want for sure. And then the big thing, another thing that's probably one of the better things about it is it's rechargeable. So if you're into that, again, that's not my thing on my everyday carry, but it is nice that it has this feature here. I typically will carry my M18 batteries with a little USB charger. They do provide you with this cable here, and it's a magnetic base, and it just basically locates itself and charges just like that. So it's really simple. There's no plugging in something that's going to get messed up over time. I have swapped over to 100% wireless charging for my phones and all those things too. I just like that better. This is a real nice setup for this. I really like that. I don't mind that at all. But the best thing is, with this being magnetic for that charger, is it's also magnetic that you could stick it on condensers, electric panels, anything you got that's metal. You can take this, flop it up on there, hold it in place. So not only do you have to not just rely on your hat or your hand, you can now stick it on something metal. So that's really nice. So let's go ahead and look at the colors on this. So you have this low at 15, and then as you hold that down, so you press and hold the button, it's going to go medium. And well, actually, I'm on low now, medium, high, and then to get into that turbo mode, that 1500 lumens, you just have to double click it, and you can see how much brighter that gets. And then it also has a strobe. If you click it 3 times real fast, you can get a strobe if it's an emergency situation. So let me go ahead and show that to you in the dark now, on low, and then on medium, and then on high. And so you can see the difference there. And then also, let me show you, as I went out into my backfield and put this out towards the woods, I'll show you the brightness that you can get, or the output that you can get as far as the distance that the beam will travel to allow you to be able to still see it. So you can see it shows up fairly well in that turbo mode. So again, that's a lot of bang for your buck for $40 more. I know that seems like, well, I could get 2 of these for cheaper than 1 of these, and these may be what you're looking for. Like I said, this is still going to be in my pocket every single day. I really like this, but this is going to be in my tool bag or in my truck, so that if I know that I'm going somewhere to use a flashlight, this will be my one that I take with me. This is the one that I have on me all the time for. I didn't know I was going to need a flashlight, and now I need one. This is one that I'm going to grab if I'm walking in somewhere knowing ahead of time I'm going to need a flashlight, just for the brightness, the magnetic base, and I still got that hat clip. I really like this Baton 3 Pro. And before I get done with the Baton 3 Pro, within the package, you get that charging cable. You get this little bag case here for it to go into with their logo on it. And they give you a base that's got some 3N tape. So maybe you want to store it in your truck. Again, it's got that magnetic base. You can put that on your dash or something. It just gives you somewhere that you can put that. So whether it's on your workbench, I could mount that right here on the wall, give me a place to store that. So if you've got somewhere that's not metal and you want to store it, they provide you with something for that as well. Now getting into the final product they sent me is the Olight Obulb Plus. It's very hard for me to say that. You try to say it 5 times fast. And this is basically a touch light that you can set on your nightstand, put it in your truck. You could set it up in a job site if you want to. I don't know how much this would be for, us guys thinking about working on the job site with this, but I've got a use possibly for it here in the near future. But it's basically a portable light that you can, turn on. And then if you hold that down, it will get brighter. If you come off and you hold it down, it will get dimmer. I think at max setting, it's 300 lumens. And then it not only has the white color, but you can cycle through just tons and tons of different things. And then there's also an app, which I'm going to show you here in a minute, that works with it. So you can do it all from your phone, wherever it's sitting at. So if you want to turn it on and off, you could do things like that. But I think this might sit next to your nightstand. Maybe your kids would like something like this. You guys can let me know. They've got some other versions of this. I think this Plus version is something new that's coming out, and I don't know what the price is on it as well. If I know it before I upload this video, I'll put it up here. But if not, you'll just have to go to their website and check it out. But it charges in the same way that the Baton 3 does. It's got a battery built in. It's got this magnetic base. So again, you'll just stick that on there and charge it whenever you want to charge it. And then with it being that, again, that's kind of useful in a way that you can stick it on anything metal and it can hold up there. So maybe there is somewhere on your job site with scaffolding. It's not going to give you a lot of light, or maybe you're in a closet with a furnace or something like that. You could use this. I think most of us have a lot more temporary lights. I would personally probably rather have this put on my hat than one of these. So again, I don't know that this is a job site item, but it might be a cool thing, again, for you to have around your house or something like that. It also comes with 2 little eyeballs, I guess, that you can put on it, and also a base, just like how the just like the Baton 3 had. It's got a 3M base where you could stick this somewhere and it would give you a magnetic attachment point somewhere that would be useful to you. So if we take this, they also have an Olight hub app. So you have to download the app, and you got to make sure you get the Olight hub app. You can see that here. Don't get the Olight app. It didn't work on that. And then I had to get the Olight hub. You just, go through a step-by-step process. It's very easily. And now I can click on that bulb and I can change the brightness of it. I can work on the settings of it. I can turn it on and off from here. I can go over to the colors, and here's where you can see all these multiple colors, which you can scroll through these by hand. That's what I was doing a minute ago. But you can change from different things, from romantic to whatever color you want to. It's got all sorts of different things that you can change to, fireflies, so you could have that sitting outside. And then it also has a feature where you can go in here and select music, and it will basically kind of strobe and light up based upon whatever music's playing in the background. Again, it's not something that necessarily I'm going to probably use in a trade or anything like that, but you might have somebody in your life that thinks that that's pretty cool and you want one beside your bed, or one place where I may end up using it. It just depends how it works out for me. But I do have a, again, commercial topper that I'm getting for the back of my truck that's going to be metal, to where I'm going to have doors on the side to access materials and tools and things like that. And if this would just magnetize to that door, I might leave it on there to where I can easily just, whenever I open that door, just touch that button, and then I can go and turn on the light and light up my area, whatever it might be. So again, not 100% useful for someone who does my line of work, but maybe it's useful to you. But these are the Olight products that they sent me. And again, thank you, Olight, for letting me try these out. I'm really looking forward to putting this to use over the course of time. And those keychain lights are bright enough to be able to just be something that maybe I might give a friend, or, just hang them on my bag, one of my little go bags or something like that, just so I've got one handy if I need one. But you guys let me know down below what's your favorite Olight. Which one of these do you like the best? Or do you have something? Do you have an Olight product that you like more than any of the ones that I've shown you here today, or something else? Let us know in the comments down below. But again, I hope that this was useful in some way. You guys stay safe, have a blessed day, and I'll see you on the next video.